Alright, it's February 11th and we got our first big snowstorm. Snowed before this year, this winter season in Michigan, but this is the big one so far. Check it out, everything is covered. This is from the front steps. And you can see these footprints here are pretty deep. This is probably bordering on a foot of snow. It's definitely covering my shoes. Coming on out. This is the house here. Let's see if we can get to the road. My shoes are totally packed with snow now. You can see that the road doesn't get plowed where we are. People just start their cars and go. Yep, here we are. And Nikki's car is completely covered. You can barely even see it. Someone might just plow right into that thing. Alright, that is the first snowstorm. So, check that out, huh? Look at that. Getting inside.